Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Jasmy. Wanted to do a bit of an update, I think, for obvious reasons. Yesterday, we have been very bullish. I think there's a chance that we will continue to be bullish. And just in general, kind of wanted to keep you updated on the price. I mean, so far, I would say I have been right. I mean, there's quite a lot of people bullish on Jasmy right now. What I told you in my last videos is that I expected this level around 2.5 cents, which yes, we dropped down lower, but that was just a bit of a fake out Monday, Tuesday after all the DeepSeek FUD, etc. But ultimately we held that level and got a nice bounce from there into 3.3 cents, which we also talked about in some videos. So ultimately, I think that if you watch my videos, you were prepared relatively well. Hopefully that also felt that way to you. But no, I mean, Jasmy has been very bullish. And there's all these, like, if you look up Jasmy right now, like I was trying to look up some news. There's also all sorts of people kind of now thinking of reasons why Jasmy was bullish. And some people say, this article right here about the SoftBank AI investment. And obviously Jasmy kind of dabbled in AI, or is dabbling in AI right now. So therefore, that could be bullish, but that's a relatively old announcement. I personally, I mean, there might be some sort of an announcement coming, and this might be the market maker, which is DWF Labs, kind of waking up the Jasmy crowds, waking up investors, waking up traders for a potential next move up. That could be so, but at this point of time, I don't really see any major news that's causing Jasmy to go up. I mean, we hit a significant support level. I think in general from there, we expected a move up eventually, so that's what we did. And now the big question is well, all right, we're at this resistance level at 3.3 cents, and what you can see is that the leverage has increased a huge amount. I mean, the leverage right now is at the same levels as when the price was at 4 cents. So there is a lot of leverage in the price right now. So the big question is when are we going to liquidate those shorts? Or when are we going to liquidate those extra longs? And that's a difficult question because honestly, like I said, I actually do think Jasmy can move higher here. I mean, yesterday it was extremely strong. And what we know about Jasmy, if we go in the past, is that usually if Jasmy gets a big bullish move, a big open interest move like this, yes, it cools down for a bit. As you can see right here, it cools down, but it also continues. Or at least it has a high likelihood if after a downtrend in open interest, we see a spike in open interest again, it has a high likelihood to actually go up higher. So ultimately, the big question for Jasmy right now, in my opinion, is that, all right, well, we have this major resistance level at 3.2, 3.3 cents. We either break above that, go even more into leverage and push the price all the way up to 4 and 3.9 cents, definitely possible. Or we kind of stay up here, draw in some more longs, and we liquidate late longers right here at 2.8, 2.7 before we consolidate, which is ultimately bullish. If Jasmy is going to consolidate now between 3.3 and 2.6 cents, that is long-term bullish, because long-term that will probably lead to a breakout. It will just take a bit longer and longs will get liquidated, which is obviously not great. So those are the two options. If I would have to give you my most likely, my kind of most likely prediction right now, volume is still moving up slightly here, so that's pretty good. And the open interest is also still holding on relatively well. However, given the resistance that we have, I would say we will first do a bit of a liquidation spike down into 3 cents, into 2.85 cents right here. And then if we actually do have a stronger market later today, we have some news coming out, and it's the end of the month. So if Bitcoin is able to get some more bullish momentum and break above 105,000, then I think from this liquidation spike down, we can break out and move higher. If we don't have favorable market circumstances, I think we'll spike down, we will move up again, but then afterwards we will consolidate and we will drop back down into the bottom of the range right here at 2.7. So I'm going to make it depend a bit on the market circumstances. I think if the market circumstances are right, I think DWF Labs is going to push this higher. Otherwise, it's going to do some trickery with the price. But then I don't expect a breakout. So for now, given the fact that I'm still relatively bullish on the markets, what I would say is that it's most likely we will do something like this. And that's the end of the video. All right, I'll keep you updated on this. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.